Hi everybody, thanks for visiting Art is So Fun. Let's draw a June apple. You start by drawing a big letter C in the center of the page. Like this. And then you draw a backward C connecting it, and you let the first C kind of underlap that C a little bit. Then you draw a straight line coming out for the stem, little circle on the top, make it 3D, and then you draw another straight line coming down like that. Sorry, I'm going fast. Feel free to pause at any time. And then you draw two curved lines to make a little leaf, and then a little line down the center to make the stem of the leaf sort of thing. Let's color the apple in. If ravioli lets us. I went with a red apple with a green leaf. Bless you, Dibbles. My kitty cat sneezed. And a brown stem.